This is sky number 5. Ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, manganese blue. Northern lights in the making. Pulling down the color. And I'm going to pull it right down to the distant shoreline. So this little demonstration is inspired from my trip in northwestern Ontario. Yellow light, and let's bring in those northern lights. And pulling upward. Adding some white, really light touch, and pulling it up. Switch to a smaller brush with ultramarine blue and some of that cadmium red deep. Just darken the corners and pull it down. I picked up more of the ultramarine blue and the red deep. Just add the shoreline over here. Having picked up a little bit more of the red, just bringing that color in. There you go.